dyan na magiging dugyot ako sa Santa Cruz? Excuse me. YouTuber na ako ngayon. Hindi ko kailangan magpadugyot kung hindi ako dugyot noon. How if now? Diba? Diyos ko, wag ka naman masyadong excited sa pagngangahoy ko. If you remember my first video or second time that I took a video, it's there in YouTube that I carry a bucket of, not bucket, what do you call that? I carry a bank of bangka. What's in that? It's not a bangka. It's a kind of bundle. I mean, bundle of trees. Yes, bangka, pabi. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Honest is, guys, I'll never ashamed to carry a bucket or a bundle of trees. Why? I grew up with like that. When I was high school, I'm still, picking a trees in the mountain to have it's like personal use when I was when I was in Asolido to study in high school. So I'm not shy that all of my life I carry trees. Don't be ashamed wherever you came from or what kind of job you have before. Why? People will accept you being you. Yeah, and I want that, people know me being me. A simple Rogelia, like, doing so many things that I'll never ashamed in my life. Why? I'll never learn something from my parents if I am ashamed to do that. Di ba? Naiintindihan mo ba? Kung hindi mo mag-gets, I'm willing to translate. Don't worry, I'm good. If you're nice, I'm good. Yes, and I'm nice too. Yeah. And you know what, guys? Honest is, to all those my haters, are you waiting that Rogelia is look like Galis? No. I'm sorry. Even that I'm here in Philippines, I have a simple life. My Filipina beauty is I need to maintain that. I need to maintain. Ayoko maging dugyot sa paningin ng aking mga kaaway. Mayroon akong naging haters, guys, until now. Mino-monitor ang aking YouTube channels. Nagsusubscribe and subscribe. It's only one person. And don't be surprised if it's -1 all the time, +1 and minus times, and minus and plus again to my YouTube channels. Siya yung guys, nagmo-monitor ng aking YouTube channels if I'm fine. I'm totally fine, even that I live here in Philippines almost 1 year. I'm fine, There's no regrets at all. Never feel regrets that I come back to my family. Honestly, I'm so proud with them. Very proud that I have a time to my family. Spending time with them is a kind of diamond happen in my life. I'll never buy a happiness that I experience right now with my family if I'm thinking a nega of my lives. Honestly, guys, to all those people that they are waiting, that I'm down, and to the rug. I don't care. I don't really care. I'm a positive woman in earth that always think positive. How can I survive for livings? I'm survived, I live here almost, I think it's gonna be 1 year soon. Yes, very soon. But I'm fine. I'm totally fine. To all those basher that they are waiting that I'm gonna be look like a missy cat or taong grasa, excuse me. I'm not like that. And I'll never dream to be like that. If you don't mind, my mind is okay. I'm not going to the doctor for maintenance of medicines. I'm fine. My mind is fine. And I'll never feel like crazy person because I'll never dream to be a crazy. I need to taking care myself for my own life. I know that I need to love myself before I'm thinking a negative feedback to my life. I'm so sorry, Basher. Hi. Ay, hindi ako magkakaroon ng maraming subscribers sa aking YouTube channels kung hindi ako marunong magpakatotoo sa sarili ko. Thank you guys to stay to my YouTube channels. Utang na loob ko sa inyo kung ano ako ngayon. Thank you. Nakilala ako ng mga tao being me, hindi para para siraan at warakin ang aking pagkatao. By the way, in the beginning, yes, but I choose to be a YouTuber. For one reason, guys, I want to clean my name. I want to clean my name like before. Kung ano ako noon, yun ako. Yeah. And to all those people that they love to make comments and I didn't reply, I'm so sorry, guys. I'm busy. I'm busy woman. And this is, sometimes I read it, but I didn't think to reply you guys. I know that some of you is waiting to my replies to your comments. But be sure that if you comments, please don't erase. Why? I'm spending time to answer it back. Yes. And be sure that, your comments is not nega. Because I'm the type of person that if you comments a negative, I will answer you back directly, direct to the point. Yes. And if what kind of issues do you want to attack me, I will answer you back. Be real to yourself. Don't attack someone. Like, a bad habits only. Do you understand that? By the way, guys, enjoy the year 2026. I hope that you can have a better life because, it's me, keep dreaming and enjoy life together with my family. And keep dreaming, hoping that I can have a better life more than what I expected. Yes, that's me. Bye!